In this video, we will discuss 5 natural cures for hangnails. But before starting the video, if you like to learn about health and eating habits, like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay tuned to all the news about health and wellness. Hangnails basically appear when the silvers of dead skin cracks off from any of your fingernails. By chance, if the hangnail gets caught to an object, you may feel a shear pain. These hangnails may hitch into your silky dress, sweater, or into your hair you may contact with. They usually grow in the months of winter when your skin actually dries too fast, or it might grows due to nail biting that can smash your nail bed. A weak nail bed gives rise to more hangnails. When you frequently engross your hands in water, or your hands are not moisturized aptly, or you wash your dishes too often without using gloves, or the cuticle are not recurrently, the hangnails tend to develop. You are advised to remove those hangnails very carefully, but if you will try to bite them or eradicate with nail cutter, it can result in swelling, painful cuts and infections. The tear of hangnails may bring redness also. As they are not very serious, they can treated nicely with patience. You have approached with 5 beneficial natural cures for hangnails that will definitely help you. Natural ways to cure hangnails. Number 5. Salt soak. Epsom salt is a great natural remedy in healing your hangnails. The salt, which is composed of magnesium sulfate, gets soaked in the skin to peel off, and it even stops the puffiness. You can take 1 cup of water and add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt to it and stir nicely. Then you can soak your nails into the solution for 3 to 4 times a day every day, so that you can get relief from it. You can try out for 3 to 4 days and get good results. Number 4. Oatmeal scrub. You can also take the help of oatmeal scrubbing that will ward off your problem of hangnails. You have to grind 1 cup of rolled oats in mixer and then pour the paste of oats in a small bowl. Put your hand inside the bowl and then wipe your palms in between at the back of your hands and also around the cuticle portion. By this process of rubbing, it will aid in removing the uneven, dead top layer of the skin of hands, and in the region of the nails. You can dry out your hands with the towel and apply a moisturizing cream in those areas. Number 3. Warm oil massage. A warm oil massage will act productive for the hangnails to soothe without pain. Before going to sleep, you can massage your hands. You can combine 1.5 oz almond olive oil along with 24 drops of skin healing essential oil. You can even add drops of vitamin E capsule contents. Then warm the mixture of oil and massage them around the cracked skin of your nails. Allow the oil to soak into the chapped skin overnight. If you want, you can wear cotton gloves and sleep. In the morning, you can wash your hands and dry it in towel. Number 2. Cuticle soak. In order to heal your hangnails, you can try out a cuticle soak. In a bowl of warm water, you can add 1 pinch of body oil, almond oil or parachute oil, which is your favorite. You need to soak your finger inside the liquid for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse your fingers and dry them. You can clip the soft hangnails and put a moisturizing cream around the cuticle portions. Repeat this method for 4 to 5 days, and surely the cuticle soak will aid in averting the hangnails. Therefore, you can surely implement the above natural cures for treating the hangnails. Number 1. Almond hand mask. Your problem of hangnails will vanish away with the help of almond hand mask. You can add almond oil or milk to the ground almonds for softening it. Then beat the egg yolk in the bowl and put the moistened ground almonds to it so that a nice paste will be formed. You can even include honey and apple cider vinegar, which help in healing. Mix it completely and apply on the affected nail areas. Wear white cotton gloves afterward. The mixture should remain on your hands overnight, and in the morning wash and dry them. Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel or watch another video.